Hi guys, it's Jameelah. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little special guest named Layla. There she is right there eating her hands. I'm gonna try to do a reading vlog. We'll see how this goes. But let me put her down for a second. Like she's pretty much obsessed with anything that hangs and dangles over her head, because the reason I put these on here is because she's literally obsessed with the ceiling fans and the little things that hang from there. So same concept, I thought. And if you guys hear a little bumping in the background, that is the ceiling fan. That thing is very annoying. I'm sorry. Let us talk about the books. So I am currently reading a lot of books right now, but I'm just gonna mention a couple and I'll mention more later in the vlog. Maybe I'll mention them now. I don't know. It's chaotic, but right now I'm reading Orange by Ichigo Takano, and I am in part 2, I think. I'm almost halfway in this one. I'm really enjoying it. I actually cried one time so far, and it's just like something about this is so heartwarming and heartbreaking. The characters are just so sweet, and I don't know, I just really love it. I hope I can get a hold of the second one because I am really loving this, and the reason I'm reading it is because it's really making me feel like I'm getting through something really quickly, because I have been struggling, you guys. Like, when I tell you that I have been trying to read and I just keep starting books and then not finishing. So we're trying to finish a book, and I think it's gonna be this one. Hopefully today. We'll see how that goes. And then I'm not very far into this one. I'm on chapter 3, but I'm also reading The Assassin's Blade by Sarah J. Maas. I have never read this, and in the Throne of Glass series I've only read Throne of Glass, Throne of Glass, Crown of Midnight, and Air of Fire. Air of Fire being my favorite out of all of them. I thought that the first book was meh. The second book was, I was liking it, and then it just didn't go where I wanted it to go. And then the third one, I don't know if it's just the time I read it, but it really hit different, like real different. And I really enjoyed that one. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna read this and then I might start over with the series before I continue on. We'll see what my mood is like, because I changed my mind at the drop of a hat. Other books I'm reading God's Grave, and I'm on page 242 in this one. I have been enjoying this one, but I'm only just getting back into it because I started this book like a century ago, and it's good, but it's a lot. It's a lot, but it's good though. I'm also reading A Torch Against the Night. I think I'm a little further into this one than it's saying here. Ooh. Okay, kiddo. I think I'm a little further into this one than it is here. It says page 183, but I'm pretty sure that I'm further along in this one. I'm enjoying that as well. Then I'm also reading Frankly in Love by David Yoon, and I have been enjoying this one. I'm on page 257. This book, I don't feel like it's gonna be 5 stars or anything. Like, maybe more a 3-star-ish range, but it's enjoyable. I don't know if it's spectacular. Also reading Vicious by V.E. Schwab. I am 15 pages into this one. Don't really have any thoughts yet. And then the last one is Get a Life, Chloe Brown by Talia Hibbert. And as you can tell, I'm loving this. I'm obsessed with it. It's amazing. I love the characters. I love the banter. The writing is beautiful. I am obsessed with this book. Now this, I feel like, is going to be a 5-star read. And I rarely ever give contemporary books 5 stars. So I am excited. These are all the books that I'm currently reading right now. This is a mess. I'm enjoying everything I've read, so I guess that's good. But this is just like crazy. And I don't know why I can't just stick to one book and read it, but here we are. I'm gonna try to read a little bit while the little one is preoccupied and happy with what's in front of her. That didn't last very long. I was trying to get some reading in, but somebody's fussy. Somebody's fussy. Okay, all right. Oh my god. Well, that didn't work. I tried to put her down so I could do this faster, but she is still, well, she's not still awake, but she just woke back up, so. Say so much for that. So much for that. Say hi, YouTube. All right, mama. I am sitting here editing. I figured instead of just playing more music over me organizing my books, I might talk to you guys for a little bit. And sorry if you hear my baby sniffling in the background. But yeah, so yeah, where do I start? Well, coming off of giving birth and adjusting to life with a baby, which I'm completely not used to, even though it's been about 2 months now. It's just like completely crazy. And shockingly, I'm getting more reading done now than when I was pregnant, but it's still not that much. And it's just like so hard to find the time to even shower, let alone read sometimes. And I've started to really get on audiobooks since one of you guys really suggested that's probably the best way to get any reading done with a baby. And it definitely has helped a lot. And like at night, or kind of more so in the morning, because my baby's not sleeping through the night yet, she's sleeping in the daytime, that's when I read physically. So like in the morning time, when my baby and my husband are asleep and I can just get like a moment to myself, I take that time to read for about 30-35 minutes physically. And it's just like really been getting me through some things. I don't want to get too much into my personal life because I don't even know if you guys are interested in that on this channel, but you can always see more by visiting my main channel where I do my family vlogging. It's called All Things Jameelah. I've had some pretty crazy experiences as far as having my baby. A lot of it was pretty traumatizing. So the first month that my daughter was in this world, I was just struggling so hard, and I just feel so bad because I have like a lot of regrets, but there's really nothing I could really do because I suffer from postpartum depression, which I was so scared of, and it's literally a nightmare come true. But anyway, this is getting really sad. Anyways, the point is, I'm really trying to learn how to read with a baby, and it's just been crazy. So like a lot of the time I'll read while I'm cleaning. I'm reading while I'm doing anything right now. So like if I'm in the shower, I'll play an audiobook really loudly in the shower so I can hear it. If I'm cleaning, I play an audiobook. If my baby's asleep, I read physically. So it's just been like a journey, pretty much learning how to read again. And honestly, in a way, I find it frustrating, but in another way, I've been enjoying reading and just like accepting the fact that I have to really take my time and choose my reads wisely. So it's just been an experience, and I thought I'd kind of share that a little bit. I really feel like I'm talking too much, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a couple links in my description box, including my Amazon wish list for anyone who's interested. And that is that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!